Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. If you suspect that someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, there are some clues that can help you confirm it. In this video, I'll show you the signs that indicate that you might have been blocked by a contact on WhatsApp. Let's go. One way to find out if you are blocked on WhatsApp is to look for some clues that may hint at it. WhatsApp does not send any notifications when someone blocks you, so you have to check for other signs manually. However, these signs are not conclusive, and you should not jump to conclusions based on them. Some of these signs are the following. First, you can no longer see their last seen or online status in the chat window. You can no longer see their profile picture or status updates. Your messages are always marked with one check mark, indicating that they have been sent, but never with two check marks, confirming that they have been delivered. You cannot make voice calls or even video call them. The call will not go through, and you should only hear the dial tone if you have been blocked. Finally, you will not be able to add a contact to a group chat if they blocked you. To check, try to create a new group and add the suspected contact. Next, click on the top bar of the chat screen to open the group information page. If they are still on WhatsApp, you'll be able to see their profile in the group, and it will show if they have you blocked.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.